Thinking maybe I could use those, but it's alright. It's all that matters is the cover. Cover is on there, and now you have the same connector. Now while I've got, oh shoot, well I could have done that while I had it off, just to show that what I had the had a charge here on the new battery. As you can see, we're absolutely dead here. And if I got any slip those in there. Get a little bit of juice. Black, yeah, black on black. And this being the new battery, should be able to just touch that. Yep, as you can see, I've got a yellow light coming off the new battery. So that shows that I've already got energy to that one. And of course, here's the old one. And there's no light at all. But so that's 10 years old. It's 10, 12 years old, you know. Like I said, the lead probably in there. Now I can take this. Now we can plug this into here. And here's the charger. Oh, I actually have the handle attached to it. And now I've got a red light. And you're see charging that. There's that outfit. It would be nice to have a little handle here, but that's alright. Fortunately, I don't have a lower section there. Oh, is that it? Yeah, what you saw me doing is I forgot to put the original handle back on there. I'm just coming in here, holding that together. It might actually work because of that thing. Alright, always do that. This thing will pop right out of here now. Yep. Get out of there. Okay. So it takes care of that out of there. This one down here. The original back in here. Outside, both on the outside. Okay. Take the original handle. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. There we go. Now, I actually got it charging. Your battery maintenance guide here. I don't know how long they want it to charge. Before first time use, charge the battery for at least 18 hours. And it says important to charge the battery immediately after purchase. After each use, and every 30 days when not being used. Okay. So 18 hours. Sometime tomorrow. Alright, we'll leave that charging. I'm gonna put this one in the battery graveyard. And the new. This has even got a fuse now for the new ones. For the old ones didn't have that. But and of course the book said it needs to be charged for 18 hours when it's brand new. So click, charge, plug in, we got a light, and new battery is now charging. Okay. I had thought, just because everything is the same, the only thing that winds up being different that I can visually see right now is just the fact that the plugs are different. They will not. They do not plug. These are different from this one here, unfortunately. It does have a fuse, where I'm not sure what this is. It could be a fuse, or it could be a limiter. I have no idea what's in that box. So, because I don't know what that box is, I'm not gonna switch out the. I was just gonna switch out the plug housing. There's little prongs in there. You squeeze them and you can pop it out. Same with this. You just plug them in. You'd be good to go. But I'm not sure what this thing is. I want to assume it is a fuse, a non-repairable fuse, where this one is a replaceable fuse. So if all of a sudden it doesn't work and you've got one of these, there's no way to check to see if it's blown, other than checking it directly through your plug here. That's the only issue there. If you've got a blown fuse on this one, you can just look and see that it's blown. But that's what I'm assuming. It's a sealed fuse in here. And of course, this is over 20. I think she says it's about 20 years old. So anyway, there we go. That's how you change out a new battery for an old plug. And we will charge that 18 hours just like it said. And we will plug it into the. There we go. And we'll plug it into the little 4-wheel drive. So that's done. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe and share. Catch you on the next.